Making words, lesson 13. Materials needed: whiteboard, whiteboard marker, eraser, workbook, and a pencil. Directions: do all parts, do not skip ahead, be neat when you're writing, don't use the closed captioning, and challenge yourself to spell and segment. Lesson 13, our vowels today: I, like igloo, and U, like umbrella. Our consonants in alphabetical order: C, H, K, M, N, P. All right, word number 1, in. Get ready. In. I, N. The next word, up. Up. U-P. To this word, we're going to add one letter to make the word cup. Get ready to segment. Cup. Add the C to the beginning of the word. All right, our next word is also 3 letters, but it's very different. So I'm going to erase that. You can do the same. The word is pin. Get ready to segment. P-I-N. For our next word, we're going to take the same 3 letters, rearrange them to make the word nip. Get ready to segment. Nip. Go ahead and rearrange them. I hear the N first, followed by the I, and the P. N-I-P. Now we're going to make a 4-letter word. The word is chip. Get ready to segment. Chip. I know I need to erase the N, and I have to think about what 2 letters make the ch sound. I look up here, C-H, chip. Excellent. Now we're going to change 1 letter to make the word chin. Get ready to segment. Chin. Erase the N, the P, and replace it with an N. Chin. We're going to take the same 4 letters in the word chin, rearrange them to make the word inch. Okay? Inch. I hear the C-H are still together, but now they're at the end of the word. So I'm going to take the I and the N and put it at the beginning. Inch. Great job. I'm going to change 2 letters to make this next 4-letter word. The word is much. Get ready to segment. Much. Okay, so I'm going to erase the first 2 letters. I still hear the ch at the end, so I'm going to leave that. Like igloo, or like umbrella. Umbrella. It's a U, M-U-C-H. Now I'm going to add 1 letter to make the word munch. As if you were snacking on food, you might say you were munching on food. So, munch. Okay, I need to move the M and the U over. Look up here. The letter that makes that sound is the N, M-U-N-C-H. Now I'm going to change 1 letter to make the word punch. Get ready to segment. Punch. Okay, the rest of the word is the same as munch, so I just need to erase the M, replace it with a P, P-U-N-C-H. Now I'm going to make a new word. The new word is, again, for our next word, we're going to change just 1 letter to make the word pinch. Get ready to segment. Pinch. Okay, most of the word sounds the same except for the vowel, so I know I need to change that to an I. Like igloo. Pinch. Okay, it's now time for our secret word. I'm going to give you a hint. The word begins with this ch sound, and it's an animal. So I'll let that be your hint. Now you can go ahead and pause the video to try to figure out the secret word. Okay, you had a moment. The word begins with ch. I told you that it was an animal, and you might see this on a television show where there are 3 of them, and that would be Alvin and the Chipmunks. Oh, excuse me. C-H-I-P, chip, monk, M-U-N-K. Chipmunk is your secret word for today. Great job. You finished part 1 of lesson 13. Go ahead and get out your workbooks now to do part 2. Okay, lesson 13. Okay, again, our vowels, I like igloo, like umbrella, and our consonants in alphabetical order, C, H, K, M, N, and P. Of course, our secret word was chipmunk. Oh man, Miss Heller keeps misspelling that word. Chipmunk. Good thing we're doing our spelling lesson. Make sure you filled out the top part of your workbook. I'll be checking that when I check your workbook. Alright, now we're going to copy down all the words that we made in part 1. Let's get started. The first word was in, I-N. Then we made the word up, U-P. And we added the word, or the letter C, to make the word cup, C-U-P. Then we made the word pin, P-I-N. We rearranged the letters in the word pin to make the word nip, N-I-P. Then we changed the first letter to ch sound, C-H-I-P, to make the word chip. Then we changed the P to an N to make the word chin, C-H-I-N. We rearranged the letters in the word chin to make the word inch, I-N-C-H. Then we made the word much, M-U-C-H. We add a letter N to make the word munch, M-U-N-C-H. We changed the first letter of the word munch to make the word punch, P-U-N-C-H. Then we changed the vowel from to I to make the word pinch. And finally we had our secret word, which was chipmunk. Yay, I spelled it right that time. Okay, if you would, please put a circle around the word chip. That way I know you're listening to this direction. That's your secret direction. Put a circle around the word chip. Okay, now we're going to sort the words in the columns below. Ms. Heller will help you get those set up. And then you will do the rest of the sorting on your own, and I will check it when I check your workbooks. Alright, we have 5 categories. The first one, in. And you'll have 2 words that rhyme with in. And munch, M-U-N-C-H. There's 1 word that rhymes with munch. Pinch. There's 1 word that rhymes with pinch. Nip. There's 1 word that rhymes with nip. And cup. 1 word that rhymes with cup. Remember, as you use them up here, I suggest that you check them off so you know which ones are left over and don't have any words that rhyme, and then you can put those words down here in this box. Go ahead and pause the video now to sort. Pause the video to finish sorting the words. Okay, here we are, part 3. It's the spelling test. Let's get ready. Remember that all the words in the spelling test will rhyme with one of the words up above, so you can use that spelling pattern or that rhyming pattern to help you spell these words on the spelling test. Okay, number 1, is the word lunch. What time is your lunch? She asked the teacher. Lunch. Number 2, thin. The dog looked very thin after not eating for a few days. Thin. Number 3, crunch. As we were walking, I could hear the crunch of the leaves. Crunch. And number 4, trip. It's fun to go on a field trip. Trip. Number 1 again was lunch. Number 2, thin. Number 3, crunch. Number 4, trip.